Hey guys, Mike here. Welcome back to my channel. Or is it? Actually, welcome to my new channel, Mike's Garage, where I talk about the 1.5G. Because if you see YouTube, everything is about the 1.3J or the 1.3E. And I'm like, I have a 1.5G. Why not put it up on YouTube and figure out how to fix this thing and show you how to fix this thing? And I also came back from work. I just changed out of my work clothes and I got new park lights because the halogens on these things are crap. So without waiting for too long, let's get to my channel. Alright, so now again, I told you that this is a projector and this is the park light. But if you have the 1.3E or the 1.3J, this would be a reflector, and it would be, the park light would not be here. It would be somewhere inside there. And again, you have to crawl in there, a much further space. There's no real light. This is what I bought. It's Max GTRS. Let's open this up. Those are the light. Alright, so I managed to get some light in there. I don't know if I can reach in. Where's that little... yes. Right, so again, right equals tight, left equals loose. Twist. Pull this thing out. And where are they? Oh, right. So now, what you want to do is replace them. These are the new lights. And the old ones, just pull them out. A bit tough. Ooh, the light's gone. So that's how it looks like. Now what you want to do is not to throw these away or sell them. Because in case the new lights break, you have a spare. An emergency, so to speak. So whatever you do, do not throw this away and do not sell it. Okay, now putting in the new lights. Hope I don't get zapped. Okay, that should, if I can see where the light, okay, that should be there. I am working with very little space here, guys. So be patient. Okay, I got it in. Alright, that should do it. Now, let's try turning it on this side. Okay, the light actually works. And the camera is not doing it justice. It is blindingly bright. Just like the fog lights down here. God above that is bright. It's hurting the eyes. Alright, so it's also working on the, from my position, or my view, the right side, but on the passenger view or the car view, the right. I don't know, but anyway, it's working there. It's like here, also working here, which is very bright. Also, I did not include the installation video on this side because there's, in this part of the engine bay, there's just no space for the camera equipment and the lighting equipment. So I just installed it by myself. Besides, you've already seen the installation on this side. So, that being said, let's just turn this off. And yes, my mom does own this, which is why you see ladies' shoes. But, oh, by the way, if you turn this on, like that, and turn this back, the fog lights disappear. It's just the park lights. It's just the park lights. So this is the fog light switch, the manual fog light switch. Ready, steady. I like to keep it on because I like having fog lights. I thank you. Save it to, I turn it off to save battery. And we are now finished. Lastly, I kept the old bulbs in here. Yeah, there they are. All right. Lights. Oh yes, the Kinjin Bay is very dirty. See you in the next one. And thanks for watching.